And just as Justin Achin said, the teachers make a lot of difference in every kid's life. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. A teacher is not just a teacher. They are the managers of the world's most important resource, our children. And the St. Jude children are fortunate to have so many wonderful CCD teachers and Malayalam teachers who instilled in them the knowledge of their faith, their culture, and their mother tongue. I now invite Mr. Tommy to show our love and gratitude to all our dear teachers.
ഈ സമയത്ത് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാ CCD ആൻഡ് മലയാളം ക്ലാസ് ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനെ അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഈ അവസരം ഉപയോഗിക്കുകയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനെ കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട് നമ്മളൊരു പ്ലാക്ക് ഓർഡർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ഓരോ ക്ലാസ് അനുസരിച്ച് ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനെ വിളിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ അവർ പ്ലീസ് കം ടു ദ സ്റ്റേജ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ഹാവ് K3. നമ്മുടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ജ്യോതി വർഗീസ്, നിസ്സി വർഗീസ്, പ്രീന ചെറുവാത്തൂർ. So they are the teachers of K3, Jyoti, Nissi and Preena. Okay. Then K4 we have Smita and Raju and Smita Tom. Smita and Raju and Smita Tom. നിങ്ങൾ പോകരുത്, ഇതിലേക്ക് നമുക്കൊരു ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാം. So everybody stay back. So K4 we have Smita and Raju and Smita Tom. Then we have kindergarten. We have Mary James, Chitra Bibson, Jiva Jose, Jay Xavier, Sina Thomas and Rexelin Sebastian. Kindergarten നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. Mary James, Chitra Bibson, Jiva Jose, Jay Xavier, Sina Thomas and Rexelin Sebastian. Okay, I will call the first grade teachers. Blessy Roni, Shirley Wadakur and Shaila Joseph. For the first grade teachers, Blessy Roni, Shirley Wadakur and Shaila Joseph. Then we have second grade. Second grade teachers Shiny Aluka Devasi, Binsi Baby and Chinju Joni. Second grade teachers, please come. Shiny Aluka Devasi, Binsi Baby, Chinju Joni. So the second grade teachers. Then the third grade teachers Rinsi George and Rani Chechi. Rinsi and Rani Chechi. Then fourth grade teachers Rosalind Tommy and Sterina George. Fourth grade teachers Rosalind Tommy, Sterina George. Fifth grade teachers we have Deepa Maria Matthew, Shirley Pulikan. Deepa and Shirley. Fifth grade teachers. Then sixth grade we have Anthony Zakaria and Divya Johnson. Anthony Zakaria and Divya Johnson, 6th grade. Then 7th grade, Nina Matthew, Rajesh James and Brigita Jose. 7th grade, Nina Matthew, Rajesh James and Brigita Jose. Then 8th grade teachers, Ashley Manalel and Annie Sunny. 8th grade teachers, Ashley Manalel and Annie Sunny. Then we have 10th grade, we don't have 9th grade, we have 10th grade. Sismi Menacheri, Jomi Medipara and Gigi James. 10th grade teachers, Sismi, Jomi and Gigi James. Then we have Malayalam class teachers. Sismi, please come. Malayalam class teachers, Tischechi, Manju Paul, Shibi Benny, Anumol Jose, Deepthi Sebastian, and Olga Thomas. Malayalam class teachers. Physiology, Manju Paul, Shibi Benny, Anumol Jose, Deepthi Sebastian, Olga Thomas. Malayalam class teachers. Then we have CCD volunteers. I've got Felix Simon. Felix Simon. Then we have Jared. Felix. And Jared. Jared. And myself.
myself, Tommy Paul. So we have the big team here. Can you see all? We will stand up and clap, a standing ovation for them. Can you all do that? Right. A big round one. Congratulations to all and all the best, and we will make them fly to Jesus. Right. Thank you so much.